I certainly thought I should show you how to go about fixing a hard drive that's completely corrupted somehow. Won't boot up. Let's say all your system repair things don't work. So this is your next option. Use your Windows repair tool. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you probably shouldn't be in these settings anyway. So of course, go into your CMD and then type, as you can see there, list disk, and then about to go select disk 0. Okay, we want to list the partitions. Whoa, okay, and we want to list the volumes. Okay, 15 and 58. So those two there must be for Windows. Okay, we're going to go delete partition 4. Oh, we've got to select it first, sorry. So, go on this. I should try it, see what happens. Normally it won't select it. You don't have to write partition, the full word, just go like that, partition and 4. Yeah, okay, so we want to go select partition 4. Okay, now we want to go delete part. Alright, deleted that selected partition. So then we're going to go, what have we got? That was 4. We're going to go select partition 3, delete part. You see I'm not writing the full word delete all partition. That is some quick ways of writing it. And I'm going to go select part 2, delete part. Okay, I just want to go right, list partitions. Well, let's see which ones we've got left. Try and extend it. Both fucking weird ones. Right. Okay, so we'll go select partition 1. And then delete partition. And select partition 0. Delete partition. Alright, now we want to go list part. There should be no none to list. Okay, so we'll go list disk. We're going to reformat the whole disk. Alright, disk 19, it's not GPT, so we want the whole format everything changed on this. So we'll go select disk 0, and we want to go format file system equals FS. Actually, before we do that, we actually want to change that to GPT. So we'll go you get stuck, you just do something like that quickly, bring up all the stuff. Just forgotten a couple of things. see here. So I've gone convert the disk to GPT. Disk part says you converted the disk, selected disk to GPT format. Right, so now what we're going to do is go, what's that disk again? And it's a GPT, you can see it's highlighted now. So now we're going to go select disk 0. I'm going to say format file system equals NTFS. Right. Well, actually, before we do that, so I don't have to muck around later on. Oh, and I'll show you this. This is a quick fix here. Did right. I was going to show you a quick way of creating some partitions, but we can do that another bit way later on. Actually, format, yeah, file system. So there is a way you could actually partition it now if you know definitely what you're doing later on. Like if you're going to be putting Linux, or Kali Linux or Ubuntu, or an Android system, whichever one. If the one that normally runs a different file system, like the ext4, ext2 file systems, what you could do here, so you're not mucking around formatting them later, you could actually partition it right now. And the partition you're going to use for Windows, you'd do what we're about to do now and go format file system equals NTFS, and then you just press OK. Then you'd select your other partition and format that to your ext4 format, or and you overload a little partition at the front. You do it once you create ext2. Anyway, that's right. Format file system NTFS. Let's just start again, the whole thing fresh. Oops, hang on, we haven't even created a partition in that disk yet. Right, select disk. Alright, we'll go create partition primary. Of course, you'll notice I'm not spelling the whole words out. This is just a quicker way of typing. Create partition primary. File system equals NTFS. Alright, so it's create partition primary. And it's just done that. Of course, if you were wanting to partition it here, you'd be going create partition primary. It was 119 GB things. You'd say if you want half of it, you go create partition primary. And your file size, you'd be putting 5. Was it half of 119? So what was that, 50, 59, 58? Yeah, GB. You just put 58. 58,000 equals 58,000, and then anyway, I can show you that later on in a different video. We're just doing this at the moment. So list partition, there should be, there we go, partition 1, 119. So select partition 1. And we want to format partition. come on again. If you get stuck where you type something just wrong, just do this. Type help. It'll bring it all up. Right, format file system. Alright. Oh, I didn't actually hit shift tell. Okay, so we'll go select partition. Okay, so we'll go format. Alright, so it's going to take a long time. I mean, this could take